Hello everyone. As you know that because of the situation outside, we could not take the final exam. So class 7th are promoted directly to 8th class, and we have now started online lessons of 8th class. So English grammar first lesson name is parts of speech. In that there is a detailed explanation of all parts of speech. You have already studied parts of speech. You know that words are classified into 8 types: nouns, verbs, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. So, first type we are going to study here, that is nouns. You already know that nouns are naming words. Names of person, place, thing, idea, feeling are called nouns, and these nouns are divided into 5 subtypes. Those are proper nouns. Now what are proper nouns? You can see here: specific name given to person, place, region, that is a proper noun. Means particular name of a person. Now persons have different names, places have different names, and even regions have different names. But if we identify a person, particular person, say Radha, it is a proper noun. Udgir is a name of particular city, so it is a proper noun. India is a name of particular country, so it is a proper noun. Now there is a close relationship between common noun and proper nouns. Common means what? Exactly opposite to proper nouns. See, name given in common to person, place, or thing in common. See here, Radha is a proper noun because it's a name of a particular girl. But if we say girl, it is common noun, because by Radha we identify a particular person. But girl means any girl, maybe your classmate, maybe your neighbor, maybe from another city, it may be anyone. So this is the major difference. See here, Udgir means proper noun, but city means common noun. India means proper noun, but country is common noun because it can be any country like India, China, Japan, America, USA, England, France, Italy, whatever. So this is the difference between proper nouns and common nouns. Third type is collective nouns. Collective means combination or group of nouns. So this group may be a group of things, a group of persons, or group of animals, and that group is considered always singular. Remember, there are 7 to 8 members. It doesn't mean that that noun will be plural. Collective noun is always considered singular, like class. Now class has many students, it's a group, so collective noun. Family has members in it: mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, children, altogether family, but it is taken as singular. Army is also a collection of soldiers. Herd is a group of animals. Crew is a group of people working on a ship. So all these are collective nouns. Fourth type is material noun. Material means name given to materials. Now gold is a material, water is a material, milk, petrol, rice, all of them are uncountable nouns. Remember, you can count common nouns and some of the collective nouns, but you cannot count proper nouns and material nouns. And last type is abstract nouns. Abstract means the nouns which we cannot see or touch, we can only talk about them. Such names are of quality, state, or action. For example, suppose bravery. Now, bravery means act shown by soldiers in a war. We can talk about it, but we cannot see it, we cannot touch it. Kindness, we cannot see it, we cannot touch it. Theft, old hold, sleep, such nouns which we cannot see, but we can only talk about them. these nouns are called abstract nouns. Now, abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, from verbs, and from common nouns. You can see here poor. Poor is an adjective. It is always used before noun. From poor, poverty, cruel, cruelty, honest, honesty, true, truth. Act from verbs. Act is a verb. Action. Believe is a verb. Noun. Abstract noun is belief. Move is a verb. Abstract noun is movement. Hate, hatred. From common nouns by generally adding HOOD, hood. Boy, boyhood. Child, childhood. Man, manhood. Thief, theft. Now regarding the last part of this lesson, nouns. How to form plural of nouns. There are some important rules for forming plurals. We know that you already started this in 4th and 5th class. We'll take a quick recap by adding s or es to common and some of the collective nouns. Generally, common nouns only are made plural. You cannot make plural of proper noun. For example, Radha, you can't say Radhas, or you can't say Udgirs, you can't say Indias, because these are only one, they cannot be plural. But you can say girls, books, cities, country. Some of the collective nouns like class, classes, family, families, but words like herd, crew, it cannot be plural. So some of the collective nouns can be made plural, and all the common nouns, but not at all proper nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns. All these three nouns are always considered singular. You can see here proper nouns, material nouns, and abstract nouns are always singular. They don't have plurals. For example, water, waters. Waters is completely wrong. It should be always singular. Airs, it is air, not airs. So again I repeat, only common nouns and some of the collective nouns have plural forms, but abstract noun, material nouns, and proper nouns don't have plural form. Now how to form plural? By adding s or es. Now where to add s, where to add es? Es is added to nouns, common nouns ending in, means words which end in s, sh, ch, o and x. For example, match, this word ends in ch, so matches, es is added. Class ends in s, so es is added, classes. Brush ends in sh, so es is added, brushes. Mango ends in o, so mangoes, es is added. Box ends in x, so es is added, boxes. Now some nouns, common nouns end in y. There are two rules regarding this. If before y there is a vowel, means I, A, E, O, U, these 5 vowels. If it is there, then it will take only s, boy, boys, toy, toys. But if before y there is a consonant like body, then y is removed and ies is added, bodies, candy, candies. And one more rule, ending in ef or fe, then that ef or fe is removed and evs is added, thief, thieves. I hope you might have understood this lesson. It's very simple. I'll solve one or two examples from the exercise. Remaining ones you have to solve. Look at this. I'll post the picture of this exercise. You have to do it. In the first exercise, first question, you have to underline the nouns and you have to tell the type. Now truth is underlined here. It is abstract noun. So like this, you have to underline all the nouns, maybe 2 or 3 in the sentence, and you have to tell the type of that noun. Second question, rewrite these sentences by changing the nouns into plural form. Now orange is a common noun, so it has plural, oranges. Now as you make plural of noun, this s of verb will be removed. Oranges grow on. Now trees again a singular noun, so trees. Oranges grow on a tree, grow on trees. Apple, apples. Again verb will change into have. Has becomes have. A sweet test. Here you cannot add s because test is an abstract noun. It cannot be plural. So apples have a sweet test. Like this solid. Look at this. There are some nouns which are always plural. For example, trouser, pants, scissors, spectacles. These are always plural. So you have to convert it into plural form. He ripped his trousers. Like this, solid. I hope you might have understood the lesson. Thank you.